Hello friends, welcome back. Now we see the role of hormones in completing the life history of insects and frogs. Now you have already learnt about the life history of the silk moth and the frog. The caterpillar has to pass through various stages to become an adult moth. Right, you all have done in class 7 the stages of the life history of a silk moth. And similarly, like the tadpole, that is a baby frog, passes through certain stages to become a frog, which we have already seen in the last chapter, chapter 9. Right, now this change, right, from larva to adult is called as metamorphosis. Now metamorphosis in insects is controlled by the insect hormones. In a frog, it is controlled by thyroxine, the hormone which is produced by thyroid. Thyroxine production will require iodine in water for the frogs, right? And if the growing, if in the water in which the tadpoles are growing, right, it does not contain sufficient iodine, so then the tadpoles cannot become adults. Right? Now the next topic that we do is about reproductive health. The physical and the mental well-being of an individual is regarded as the individual's health. So सिर्फ physical aspect नहीं, हमें mental aspect भी person का देखना है कि both ways the person has to be healthy. So to keep the body healthy, every human being at any age, कोई भी उम्र में जो है, needs to have a balanced diet. Right, now person must observe personal hygiene, that is cleanliness, and we also have to undertake adequate physical exercise, proper physical exercise. And during adolescence, teenage, this becomes even more essential, more important, because the body is growing. Right? Now we do nutritional needs. What are the nutritional needs of adolescence? So adolescence, like we know, is a stage of rapid growth and development. So diet for an adolescent has to be very carefully planned, right? Now in the earlier classes you have already learnt what a balanced diet is, right? So balanced diet must include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, right, in requisite, means in proper proportion. Now our Indian meal of roti, rice, dal and vegetables is a balanced meal. Milk is also considered as a balanced food in itself. Fruits also provide nourishment, that is nutrition. Now for infants, infants means newborn babies, right? The mother's milk will provide all the nourishment, all the nutrients that the infant needs. Now iron will build blood, and iron rich food like leafy vegetables, jaggery yani good, meat, citrus fruits, right, जैसे खट्टे fruits, Indian gooseberry which we know as amla, all these are very good for adolescents, right? So now we can check for lunch and dinner the items which we have. Are what we having is a balanced meal, and does it give us proper nutrition? Does it include cereals which give us energy and milk, meat, nuts, pulses which give us proteins which help us in growth? Also, does it include fats and sugar which will give us the energy our body requires? Right? And what about the main thing, fruits and vegetables, right, which are very essential? Right, so we have to check all this, right, that do we include all these things in our daily meals. Now the chips and the packed food which we get will taste very nice, it's very tasty, right? But it cannot and it should never ever replace our regular meals, because it does not have any proper adequate nutritional value, it doesn't give us any nourishment, right? Now the next topic that we do is about personal hygiene. Now hygiene means cleanliness, right? Everyone should have a bath at least once every day, right? It is very necessary for teenagers because of the increased activity of their sweat glands, right? Due to which sometimes it will make the body smelly, right? And all parts of body should be washed and cleaned every day. If cleanliness is not maintained, if we don't keep our body clean, साफ नहीं रखेंगे body को, तो there are chances of catching bacterial infection. Now especially teenage girls have to take lot of care, right, and keep the body clean mainly during the time of menstrual flow, during their periods, right? Now they should keep track of their menstrual cycle, right, and be prepared for the onset of menstruation. Means the girls have to be prepared beforehand, right, so that it doesn't cause a problem for them. The next topic that we do is about physical exercise. See, हम सबको पता है कि physical exercise कसरत बहुत ही ज़रूरी होती है, right? And mainly for teenagers, adolescents के लिए ये और भी ज़रूरी होता है, right? So walking and playing in fresh air will keep our body fit and healthy. For all young boys and girls, they should take walk, do some physical exercise and play outdoor games, right? Now here we do about some myths, taboos, do's and don'ts. Myths यानी जो मान्यताएं होती है, taboos यानी ऐसे बातें जो हम जनरली डिस्कस नहीं कर पाते, राइट? एंड डूज एंड डोंट्स मीन्स हमें क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, राइट? अब चैप्टर 9 में लाइक वी सॉ द साइंटिफिक फैक्ट्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू ह्यूमन reproduction, and there are many wrong notions, means wrong beliefs, wrong ideas, right, which you should now be able to discard as informed adolescents. For example, myths and taboos regarding bodily changes that adolescent experience. अब इसमें से कुछ आपको नीचे दिए गए हैं, एंड वाई दे आर मिथ्स, राइट? वो क्यों मिथ्स है, मान्यताएं है और नॉट फैक्ट्स, सच्चाई क्यों नहीं है, वो हम देखते हैं. सी फर्स्ट जो दिया है, दैट इज कि अ गर्ल बिकम्स प्रेग्नेंट इफ शी लुक्स एट बॉयज ड्यूरिंग मेंस्ट्रुएशन, राइट? अब ये बात तो गलत है कि अगर लड़की पीरियड्स में है और वो किसी लड़के को देखती है तो शी गेट्स प्रेग्नेंट. दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग, राइट? बिकॉज जब तक एक लड़की और एक लड़के के बीच में फिजिकल कांटेक्ट नहीं होता, फिजिकल रिलेशन नहीं होता है, टिल दैट टाइम द गर्ल कैन नेवर गेट प्रेग्नेंट. सो दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट दिया है कि मदर इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सेक्स ऑफ हर चाइल्ड. नाउ अगेन ये बात गलत है, बिकॉज हमने ऑलरेडी ये चैप्टर में स्टडी किया कि जो फादर के स्पर्म्स होते हैं, दे हैव द एक्स एंड द वाई क्रोमोसोम, राइट? So it depends on the father, right, or rather on the sperm, which chromosome it has that fertilizes the egg will decide the gender or the sex of the child. So mother is not responsible for the sex of the child. And last, a girl should not be allowed to work in kitchen during menstruation. अब पहले के टाइम में ऐसा काफ़ी होता था, राइट? बट आज के वक्त में हम ये नहीं फॉलो कर सकते, एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि कुछ रीज़न भी होना चाहिए ये फॉलो करने के लिए, राइट? बिकॉज नाउ टुडे व्हेन वी स्टे इन न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज, अगर हम ये फॉलो करने जाएंगे कि जो गर्ल है या वुमन ऑफ द हाउस है, इफ़ शी इज़ नॉट अलाउड टू वर्क इन द किचन ड्यूरिंग मेंस्ट्रुएशन, तो उतने दिन बेचारे फैमिली वाले तो भूखे मर जाएंगे, राइट। तो आज के टाइम में जब न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज में रहते हैं तो ये तो हम फॉलो नहीं कर सकते। और लास्ट टॉपिक जो इसमें है दैट इज से नो टू ड्रग्स। राइट नाउ like we know that adolescence is a period of activity, right, in the body and the mind, and it is a normal part of growing up जो हमने already discuss किया। सो इसमें कंफ्यूज होने की या इनसिक्योर फील करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, राइट। बट इफ somebody suggests to you that you will get relief if you take some drugs, right, you have to say no unless it is prescribed by doctor। अब डॉक्टर नॉर्मली विल गिव यू मेडिसिन, राइट। अब ये जो ड्रग्स की बात करें दैट इज़ अबाउट ड्रग्स जिसकी आपको हैबिट हो जाती है एंड देन यू कैन नॉट स्टे विदाउट दैट ड्रग्स। जनरली लाइक जो वाइट पाउडर फॉर्म में आते हैं, राइट, नॉट ऑल वाइट पाउडर, इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वाइट पाउडर, या उसको सिरिंज से भी लिया जाता है, राइट, जिसका एडिक्शन हो जाता है विच इज़ वेरी बैड, जो हमारी लाइफ स्पॉइल कर देता है, राइट। सी ड्रग्स आर एडिक्टिव and if you take them once you feel like taking them again and again, तो उसकी आदत हो जाती है, लत लग जाती है, right, and they harm our body in the long run, they ruin the health and happiness, right। next we see about AIDS, right। AIDS भी एक ऐसी बीमारी है which is caused by a very dangerous virus which is called as HIV। now this virus can pass on to a normal person from an infected person, right, by sharing syringes, right, जो drugs inject करने के लिए use होते। it can also be transmitted to an infant from the infected mother through her milk, and it can also, this virus, the HIV virus, can also be transmitted through sexual contact with a person who is infected with the HIV virus, right। and last we see about adolescent pregnancy। now like we know कि in our country जो marriage की age है that is 18 years for girls and 21 for boys, right, because teenage mothers जो होती है they are not prepared mentally or physically for motherhood। as a teenager वो लड़की खुद प्रॉपरली फिज़िकली और मेंटली वो मेच्योर नहीं होती, राइट। सो ऑब्वियसली वो माँ बनने के लिए तैयार नहीं होती है, राइट। बट इफ़ देयर इज़ एन अर्ली मैरिज और उसके बाद अगर वो लड़की माँ बनती है तो इट कैन कॉज लॉट ऑफ हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर द मदर एंड द चाइल्ड। ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम इट curtails, मीन्स इट स्टॉप्स एम्प्लॉयमेंट opportunities for the young woman and it may cause mental agony, means she might feel के ये मैं कहाँ फंस गई, मुझे आगे पढ़ना था या मुझे जॉब करना था, मुझे मेरा करियर बनाना था, लेकिन अब मैं ये सब नहीं कर पाऊँगी, राइट। सो शी फेसेस मेंटल एगनी, स्ट्रेस ऑल्सो बिकॉज शी इज़ नॉट रेडी फॉर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ ऑफ मदरहुड। आई होप फ्रेंड्स ये आपको जो भी ये चैप्टर में डिस्कस हुआ है आपको सब समझ में आया होगा। थैंक यू।